Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation journey for a new beginning of today. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down with your spine straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Sit comfortably, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically. Imagine standing at the threshold of a new chapter in your life. Picture a beautiful sunrise, symbolizing the start of something fresh and promising. Feel the energy of this new beginning enveloping you. Visualize yourself dancing freely in this new beginning. Your desires for a better tomorrow fuel your actions today. Let go of past struggles and embrace the limitless possibilities ahead. Imagine 3 figures joining your dance. She forgives you, reminds you of your imperfections, and encourages you to keep dancing. She holds your hands, whispering that anything is possible. Embrace the moment, honoring the dance of life. Silently repeat these affirmations. I am worthy of this new beginning. I release fear and embrace growth. Every step is part of my beautiful journey. Thank the divine, or whatever higher power you believe in, for this opportunity. Express gratitude for the gifts in your life right now. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes when you're ready. Open your eyes. Remember, each moment is a chance to reset, refresh, and restart. Enjoy the journey, beautiful soul. Namaste.